In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Gemini on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know 3 simple, reliable ways to get to Gemini, so you can start asking questions and getting answers right away. Let's begin with the most straightforward approach, using the website. Open Google Chrome and click into the address bar at the top. Type gemini.google.com and press Enter. The Gemini homepage will load. If you're not already signed into a Google account, you'll be prompted to do that. Once you're signed in, you'll land in the chat interface where you can start typing your questions and ideas immediately. This method is easy to remember and works on practically any device running Chrome. If a tab is already open with other pages, you can still type the address directly into the bar to switch over to Gemini without navigating through extra menus. Next, here's a faster, keyboard-friendly option that uses the Chrome address bar. Click the address bar and type the shortcut @Gemini, then press space or tab. You'll see that Chrome is now set to send your query to Gemini. Type your question right there and press Enter. Chrome will open Gemini and display your answer directly. This is great when you're in the middle of browsing and want to ask something without manually going to the site first. If you don't see the @Gemini prompt, don't worry. You can always fall back to the website method, which is universally available. There's also a convenient menu option in some versions of Chrome. Look near the top right of your browser for an Ask Gemini icon, which may appear as a sparkle or an AI button. Click it, and if you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. You'll be taken into Gemini and can start chatting. Keep in mind, this feature is rolling out gradually, so it might not be visible on every device or in every region just yet. If it's not there, the first 2 methods will still get you up and running. To recap, the website method is the most consistent and easy to remember. The address bar shortcut is excellent for speed, and the Ask Gemini button is a handy quick launch option when it's available. Choose the one that fits your workflow, and you'll be chatting with Gemini in no time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what Gemini can do for you in Chrome.